Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue team official channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add the Facebook's live box inside your Blogspot website. I will put it inside this place now. It take about it is about 180 pixels just among all this size. So before we get started, first you need to go to this website that called developerfacebook.com/plugin page plugin like this. So go ahead and go to this website, and if you still have any problem just inside this, you can click on the link in my description below and it will take you to that website and have some more tutorial inside my blogger. I put the link in the description below. So to do that, first when you are going on this place, it will look like you have already preview or logged in with your account that look like preview, something like that, and you can also scrolling down like this. But if you want to change to the other page that you want, so go to your Facebook page like this. For example, this is my official page. So go ahead and right click on the URL links on the top side here and then click on copy like that, and then go back to this website, Facebook website, and then paste it inside this place, and then click outside this circle here and it will take you to generate. Now everything is look like the Facebook is already showing you like this with the post. So if you want to be smaller here, you can generate it like this or like this, and it is depending on you. So you can adjust it by yourself if you like it. And this time we're gonna taking some side of the Facebook page. As you can see here, it take a lot of long side just like this. So if you want to decrease some size, so you can set it up the minimum size of the head with this Facebook page. So now I'm gonna use test for 180 pixel, and then I click out and waiting to see that look like it is still a small. So now you can change it to 180 pixel, and now you can see everything is look like it is small enough for you, right? So everyone that go to your Blogspot website, they can click like to your Facebook fan page with your blogger's website. So now I think it is enough for this site, and you can increase more if you like it. So you can increase more by yourself. And then after you have been already setting up like this, and make sure that you love it, and then go to get the code like this. Click on get code, and on this place we have two different ways of the JavaScript and the IFrames. So if you choose an IFrame, you can only put only one single HTML code. So now I'm going to show you the different way of putting the iframes and the JavaScript SDK. So the first, I will take you how to put the iframes. So go ahead and copy the iframes code like this, and then go to your Blogger dashboard here. And this time you go to the layout on the left hand side here and choose the place that you want to put that to the box. So now you can see it is just among of this place. It looks like this word popular text and attribute. So now I'm gonna add this place to the sidebar one here, and you can drag it or change it later. And now click on the JavaScript like this, and then pass the code. Now I'm gonna title it first because to make me easy to know or to remember that it is the Facebook code iframes. And then click on save. And you will see the title that you can drag it after you have been already drag it to be fit to your screen. You can erase your title back. So now click on save. Okay, and wait for a few seconds. And then this time we're gonna refresh the page here and waiting to see where is the page is appearing like this. And now you can see this page is look like appearing like this on the top of this one here. And so everyone that works or visit your website can click like the page through your blogger's website. But this method is not fit to the site that you really want to do. And the next step I will take you how to do with the SDK's code here. So to add the SDK JavaScript code, there are two steps to do with that. First, you need to go or delete the first delete your old script like this, and then click on remove, and then click on save first. And this time we go to the theme and edit the HTML with this JavaScript SDK here. So click on the theme here, and then click on the drop down menu and select on edit HTML. And this time we're gonna click anywhere just inside the code areas, and then press Ctrl F to find the closing body text or the body text. So now we're gonna type in the body text like this. So go ahead and find this body text just inside the HTML code, and you will see it is opening the body text here. And now this time copy this code here. Okay, copy this code and then pass it just below of the body text just like this. And here is the code here. And then click on save. Okay, after you have been already saved successfully, so go back. And this time we go to add the layout again. And this time we copy all this code here. Okay, right click on that and copy it. And this time we're gonna pass it to the same place that you want. So we'll click on JavaScript like this, and then pass it here, and put the title to remember it is this code, because sometimes if you not putting the title inside it, you might be confused a lot of things just like this. So click on save, and now you can see the TTT is the name of the JavaScript SDK. So click on save. It will auto generate the size between the circle or the spacing beside your blogspot area. So now go to refresh it again, and you will see that look like everything is already generated to the fit, and the size is completely fit with that. So this is the different way between the iframes code and the SDK, the JavaScript SDK. So it's completely different, because when you use JavaScript SDKs, it means it auto-generated to appear in your site, to fit your site on the place on your site, blogspot website. So it is a very completely different. So if you have any question, please leave me a comment below, or you can click on the link to my blogspot website that teaching you about how to add this code. And if you have to see something that is already looks very good or fit to the site, to the screen, to the place, And this time we can drag it to everywhere, such as a small place like this. It will auto generate it to be a small one. Now I'm gonna drag it to put it here and then click on save. It will auto generate it to be a small part of the Facebook like box that can fit to your Blogspot website. So now let's get started and refresh it. Okay, now scroll it up. Now you can see it is very small and fit to the screen. It auto generated to be small or bigger or smaller. It is depending on the place that can stay just along of your blog spacing. So now you can delete the name, delete its name back, because when we already see it perfectly, because we don't want to see the title is appearing like this. So now click delete all and then click on save again, and now click on save this again, and it will be everything will be fine and looking very good to you. And now we're gonna refresh it and test it for more. And now you can see it everything is working fine, and the title has been erased from this guide here. So thank you for watching again.